This is what I'm working with. My little rainbow colors bled into the blonde part of the wig. So this is what the wig started off looking like. I made this custom order for my customer. They wore it for a couple months and then dropped it off back to me for a wash and style. I don't know if I was tired or what, because I washed the wig regularly and I didn't separate the parts, not thinking it would bleed. And it definitely did, because now the top half is a little bit blue. And you know what? I could just leave it like that and curl it still, but I'm a perfectionist. That's gonna bother me. So I decided to use some color removal. So I went to Sally's and got some of the color removal by Matrix. This is available to everybody. You don't have to have a license. The directions said if the hair is a level 9 or 10, you can use water. So that's what I did, because this is definitely a 9 or 10. But if your hair is lower than a 9, that means on the darker side, then go ahead and use a 20 developer. The direction set for a level 9, what I'm doing right here, it should only be on for like 10 to 25 minutes. Yeah, so here I am applying it. It's very watery, of course, and I don't know if I mixed it wrong. I kind of be eyeballing stuff. I really just want to focus on those parts that was like bluish green. I wasn't feeling those. I only had a few areas, so I used only 1 pack of the Matrix stuff. So if you're doing like a whole head, I don't know, maybe use like 2 packs. And you know what? In the past, I have did the whole baking soda and Dawn soap thing. That completely ruined the wig. Like, the integrity of the hair was ruined. I'm not doing none of those home remedy things no more. I'm getting the professional products. So I let it sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I low-key got scared because look at the ends. Like, the bleach makes it look a little blue. I'm like, did I just tone the wig? Like, I can't ever do nothing. But no, I rinsed it out, washed it out, and it came out good. Like, the color was coming out. One thing I did notice is that the hair did not lose its integrity, so it was still soft and everything. It didn't like damage the hair. Oh, and I am washing it with clarifying shampoo by Olaplex. Clarifying shampoo is good for getting everything out the hair, like color, any residue. Like, that's the best shampoo for that. Okay, so when I was done washing and conditioning, I went ahead and combed it out real good and put it on my mannequin to dry overnight. I love to air dry my wigs. It makes the wigs come out really, really smooth and soft when you flat iron it or style it however you're gonna do. When you blow dry the hair, that makes it very frizzy. So yeah, if you got a wig, let it air dry. Okay, this is the wig the next morning. Okay, all the colors out, baby. We're back. Yeah, so it definitely got all the color out. I definitely see a difference, and the hair still feels nice and soft. Yeah, so Matrix, I will definitely be restocking on some color removal from y'all, because man, it's definitely doing the thing. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Let me know if this helped you in the comments, and shop with All-in-One Collections. You know my wigs are bomb. My hair is bomb. Yeah, shop with me.